beautiful morning at Volcano Island.
Fascinating, Francois. The golden horned goat should appear any second. Ooh la la! It is even more beautiful than the pictures.
Careful, little fellow. That ledge looks a bit precarious.
Mon Dieu! The path is gone! He is trapped!
He's gonna fall if we don't do something. Time to call Ryder.
A call from Captain Turbot? This sounded like an emergency. Don't worry, Captain. No goat is too high, no pup is too small. Paw Patrol, to the lookout! Ryder needs us!
I'm coming. Whoa! I guess I'm tripping over myself to help.
PAW Patrol, ready for action! Ryder, sir!
Thanks for coming, pups. A rare golden horned goat is trapped on a crumbling rock spire at Volcano Mountain. Skye, I need you and your ultimate rescue copter to fly to the peak and airlift the goat to safety. This pup's gotta fly! I'm ready, Ryder! Rubble, the rock spire is unstable. I need you to use your crane and drill to reinforce the base so it doesn't collapse.
Rubble on the double. I'll make that rock solid.
And Marshall, it's very hot on that volcano. Bring your water cannon and medical gear to make sure the goat stays cool and healthy.
I'm fired up. Let's go save that goat.
PAW Patrol is on a roll. Ah! Ah! Yeah! Almost there, team. The volcano is just ahead. I see him, Ryder. The goat is on a very small rock spire.
Ready to dig and drill. Leading the way to the cliff. Deploying support crane.
Geology. Basalt is a volcanic rock that can crack easily. Erosion from the tremor made the ledge break away. It's windy up here, Ryder. I'm trying to stay steady. Lowering the rescue sling now.
Oh dear. He's frightened of the harness.
Physics. The goat's weight is too far to one side, moving its center of mass. Rubble, you need more force to keep that rock upright.
I'm slipping! The ground is too soft! I've got the stabilizer pads! Rocky, toss them over! Traction pads in place! Grip those treads, Rubble! Got it! The rock is steady now, Skye! Go for it!
Gotcha! Don't be afraid, little goat. We're going for a ride.
Just in the nick of time! Magnifique!
Safe and sound on the ground.
Temperature is a bit high, but some water and shade will fix that.
Oh, thank you, PAW Patrol. A stellar rescue for a spectacular specimen. The perfect shot for the Adventure Bay Gazette.
It was a great photo. But remember, the trails were closed for a reason today. Safety first. Never follow wild animals off the marked trails. They are experts at climbing, but unstable.
You're right, Ryder. My excitement for the goat made me forget the signs. We'll stick to the safe paths from now on.
Bye-bye, little goat. Stay on the safe rocks.
Whenever you're in a mountain muddle, just yelp for help.
Today's safety tip. Always stay on the marked trails when hiking. Signs are there to keep you away from dangerous ledges. And remember, when it's hot outside, always bring plenty of water to drink. Staying hydrated keeps you healthy and strong.
If you want to see wild animals, use binoculars. It's the safest way to get a close look without getting into trouble.
Rocks that look solid can be shaky. Always test the ground before you step on it.
See you next time, heroes. Stay safe out there. Bye-bye.
I'm doing a water spin! Whoops! Hey! At least I'm a clean pup now.
Did you know basalt is formed from cooled lava? It's very strong, but tremors can make it crack. The golden horned goat is rare, but your safety is even more precious.
There! Now everyone will know to stay back.
It's so beautiful from up here, Ryder.
It sure is, Skye. And it's even better when everyone is safe.
I can't wait to tell Chase about our volcano adventure.
Good job today, pups. You really showed great teamwork.
Adventure Bay is safe tonight.
I'm ready for the ladder. Good night, Paw Patrol. Tomorrow is a new adventure. Be safe, everyone. PAW Patrol is on a ride!